1 over 3, and this is basically multiplied to 9 cubed, right? So typically what I tell my students is either to expand 9 raised to the power of 3, or you can write 9 raised to the power of 3 in terms of the base 3 instead of 9, right? So I guess we can have two options. So option A is going to be you expand, so you have 1 over 3, then you multiply this to 9 cubed. So 9 cubed, when you expand that, that's going to be equal to 729. So 729 is 9 cubed. So 729 divided by 3, or times 1 over 3, this is going to be 243. So this is option A. Option B is to express 9 cubed, right? So 9 cubed is going to be expressed this way. So you have 3, and this is going to be squared, right? And why is it 3 squared? Because it's 9, right? And then on top of that, you have this 3 as a power, right? So what you do is you take 1 over 3, and then because based on exponent laws, you're supposed to multiply 2 times 3, right? So you're going to have 3 raised to the power of 6, right? And then from there, you're going to simplify your bases, right? And your exponents. So as you can see, you have a 6 here, and this is basically raised to the power of 1. So that's going to be 3, right? And this is going to be raised to the power of 5, right? Which is 243. And how do I get 5? Anytime you're trying to simplify exponents, right? With the same base, right? So in this case, you have, let's see, yeah, so you have 3 over here. So this is raised to the power of 1, right? So in that case, all you have to do is take 6, then you subtract 1, so you get 5. And your 3 goes on top, which is on your numerator. It's because you have a higher power, which is 6, right? So that's why it's 5. So this is 243. Or you can write this as -1, then you have 3, then you have 6. Then all you have to do, because you're multiplying, right? You're supposed to add your exponents. So this is 6 and -1, it's still going to be 5. So this is 243. Okay, great. I think I've covered everything that I wanted to talk about. Really, it's up to you for your preference, based on your preference. So if you prefer this, go ahead and use that. If you prefer this, it's up to you. So, okay, so perfect solution and answer. And I think they went and expanded the terms, which is option A. So it's up to you.